Hello everyone, this is Joseph from PA. Today I'm going to introduce the most luxury series, the Q9 series. So Q9 is a heavy-duty sliding door that we provided to our customer who are majorly using the house or large condos. So as you can see, the size is bigger than the regular size. And we have a three different ways to open this door. So one is by the door exit right here, and another one will be the remote controller, and the third one will be the camera. The camera, if you log into your face into the camera system, it will diagnose who the person is, and it will allows you to get into the door. And once I open the door, let's try this to open the door. It's fully automatically. And the sliding speed is significantly higher than the regular machine. And also, for the Q9 series, we provide the heat preservation performance. And also, the soundproof ability is 38 decibel. After that, we also have the window pressure performance to compete the level 9 wind pressures. And also, we also have the A-level air tightness. So, as you can see, this is our most luxury series, and then you also have the watertight performance. It will allow you to place the Q9 wherever you want. So as you can see, this is our most popular and the most luxury series. Hit me up if you like this series.